Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm a Python trainer. This is our student Aswathi. She got placed in a company. Now she's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
I joined PySpiders in the month of June. The subject, the predictor taught me the manual testing. Then the Python was took by Keshav sir. Here the bootcamp and presentations and assignments helped me a lot to crack the interviews. The Aptitude was taken by Selva sir. Vinu sir took the SQL. I have good. I'm from a BTech background, but I didn't have that much programming knowledge. But Keshav sir helped me a lot to crack the interview, and other trainers like Logesh sir, Ayyappan sir, Mani sir, Avinash sir. They have a very good part in my journey to crack the interview. Thank you for all the HRs and Qs for PySpiders, where I am an occupation students. So I have a lot of thanks for this institute.
Okay. How mock interviews were helpful to crack the interview?
It helped me a lot, sir, because I have some. If it is a written exam, I can crack it. But in the face-to-face, someone is asking, I'm a little nervous. But Gautam sir, my first manual mock was took by Gautam sir. He helped me a lot. He gave me good rating, but he helped me a lot to crack the interview, sir.
I wish you all the best for further.
Thank you, sir.